Guys, I'm stressed out. I look a hot mess. I'm blocking the camera. I'm trying to replace my low beam bulbs, right? I bought these bulbs in April or May, one of them, right? I finally decide, I know I have short nails. Let me put my hair down. Let me try to look like a girl. I finally decide, I have short nails now, to replace the bulbs myself. This is a good like 4 or 5 months that has passed, right? Right. Now, I go figure out how to remove the old bulb, right? Took it out. I'm so proud of myself. Not even 5 minutes, I got the thing off. Look there, scratch up my hand and everything. It's the wrong freaking bulb. I need 3157A. I have 9007. 9007 might be great for my headlights, but not for my low beams. So I'm on my way to the store. Hopefully they have the 317 in clear, because I don't want the yellow one. I don't want the amber. I don't want that at all. So we're gonna see if we can find it in the store. And these people are rushing. It's raining. Ay, ay, ay. Come on. And this light changed really fast. Watch here. Everybody going. Everybody. They're letting everybody through. Come no, come no, come no, come no. Exactly, exactly. But anyways, that's the plan for the day. And I am driving an older car. I'm pretty much, you know, trying to make it cute until I purchase something nicer. But this really pissed me off, because this is supposed to be a 5-minute project and it's turning into an all evening thing. My knees are white, my hands are white. At least I'm gonna walk in looking like I was actually doing something. And then I wanted to get annoyed. Look at my face. I'm breaking out. This truck in front of me have pipes on the back. It's giving me whatchamacallit vibes. What's that movie called again? I don't even remember what that movie is called. But this lane is not moving. Like I don't know what was going on. And it's raining. The rain is coming down harder. Oh my gosh. I'm just a girl. Okay. We made it to the store. I think that's it. Just pop that out, pop that in. And we want it white, clear. All right, let's get that. Okay, we got the bulb. I asked the girl who was working there if this is the right one. She said yes. So I'm gonna see. I'm gonna try to put it in. There's traffic on the road. Can I go now? Can I go now? Can I go now? No. All right, let me get off of this. Okay, so I was able to pop off the old one, pop on the new one, and I'm gonna put this back into the thing now. All right, the engine is hot. I just got home, but this is the thing that it's supposed to clip to. I need to push it through the hole so that it comes through here. Let me see if I can do that. Is the whole thing hot? Is the whole thing hot? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna burn myself. Okay. All right, so I need to put it through this hole here. Let's see, let's see. She goes in, but does she stay? This shit, take my watch off. Is she in it? She is in there like swimwear. We did it, kids. I'm just gonna attach this. So this is literally the easier side. The other side is gonna be harder for sure. Where's the thing? I'm trying to get my hand to cover. Where did it go? Ay, ay, ay. All right, I'm gonna try to start the car, turn it on, and see what it looks like. Low beams. Why is it still yellow? That sucks ass. That sucks. Okay, so I did all of that. I'm completely white now, right? And it's still yellow. Like, this is really, really pissing me off because I didn't even need to change it. The whole point of changing it was because I wanted the lights to be white. See, that's white. Why is that? The raindrops are making the video stop, but why is that yellow? I don't want that to be yellow. That's annoying. And then I did get some, is that silver? Oh my God. I got silver instead of white. Jesus Christ. No, I have to return this. I was supposed to get white. Okay, kids, so today was a fail. Today was an absolute and complete fail. My skin is breaking out. The rain won't let me be great. I'm just I don't know. The packaging says this is what the color light's supposed to be. Right here. Right? Where is it? Right here. Color. See that? It's not yellow. It's not amber. It's white. Right here it says whiter light. Jesus. Here we are. You know what really bothers me about this whole thing? Look, you see? It was yellow, right? Nothing was wrong other than the fact that they were yellow. So I decided to change it for this. So the fact that they're still yellow, that bothers me a lot. And then this can right here, see this? What bothers me is that I don't feel like going back to the store today. That means I'm gonna have to go tomorrow, which means I could have just ordered it from Amazon and received it on Saturday like I was going to do this morning. But I said, no, the store is right there. I'm just gonna go and grab it. What the is my life? Seriously. I'm just a girl. I'm going to the store. I should have just gotten this one. Original Ford colors. This is what I should have gotten. And called it a day instead of this. What is this? Right? I should have gotten that universal white. Oh my gosh, I'm so confused. Because I swear that's what I grabbed. That was harder than it needed to be.
I thought it was going to be easy and fast.
Look at my hands. No, the paint got on my wheel. No, get out of here. I quit. I'm just a girl.